Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in skincare solutions. Today, we're diving deep into a product that promises to revolutionize your skincare routine, especially if you struggle with dark spots and uneven skin tone. Introducing the VALITIC Kojic Acid Dark Spot Remover Soap Bars. Now, before we get into the details, let's talk about what makes this soap stand out. It's not just another bar of soap. It's formulated with a powerful blend of ingredients designed to target those pesky dark spots and give you a brighter, more even complexion. The secret lies in its original Japanese complex infused with kojic acid, vitamin C, retinol, collagen, turmeric, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, shea butter, and Castile olive oil.
Phew, that's quite a lineup.
Each ingredient plays a key role in rejuvenating and nourishing your skin.
Kojic acid, known for its skin brightening properties, helps reduce the appearance of dark spots.
Vitamin C, a powerhouse antioxidant that boosts radiance and evens out skin tone.
Retinol and collagen work together to promote skin elasticity and minimize fine lines. Turmeric helps in restoring moisture balance and reducing scarring.
Hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, shea butter, and Castile olive oil provide deep hydration and nourishment, leaving your skin feeling supple and revitalized. This soap isn't just for your face. You can use it on your hands, neck, bikini area, inner thighs, and underarms. Perfect for anyone looking to achieve a more uniform complexion and address multiple skincare concerns in one go.
Wondering how to incorporate this into your routine?
It's simple.
First, wet your skin with warm water, then apply the soap evenly.
Massage gently for 2030 seconds, allowing those beneficial ingredients to work their magic.
Rinse thoroughly and pat dry.
So, is the VALITIC Kojic Acid Dark Spot Remover Soap Bars worth it?
Absolutely.
Whether you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, acne scars, or just looking to enhance your overall glow, this product delivers.
Plus, it's SLS and paraben-free, making it suitable for daily use without harsh chemicals.
Ready to transform your skincare routine? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the VALITIC Kojic Acid Dark Spot Remover Soap Bars today.
Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and skincare tips.
Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay glowing.